Now, partner work. Let's start with disco track. Move your hip and clap. The other side. Very good. One more time. Last time. And now, march. 8 counts. Very good. Diagonal mambo. And open. March. Yes. Diagonal mambo. Open. Walk to the side and cross to the front. And cross again to the front. Always. Open. Yes. Walk. Walk and cross to the front. Yes. Are you ready to move your shoulder and put your fingers up and down? Point diagonal and down. Open. Great. Shoulder. Up and down. Woo! More now. Are you ready to turn the mambo? Just turn and point forward hips. Good. You got it. Up and down. Mambo turn. Point. Again. This is fun. Woo! Point. Last time. Now very easy. Point. Walk. Forward. Chassé. March. Easy. One more. 4, 3, 2, chassé. Very good. One more time and we add now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Chassé. Open and shoulder. And watch the combination. Watch. Shoulder. Yes, march. Chassé. Open. Go to the shoulder. From the top. Woo! Point. Mambo turn. Give me 4 hips. March. Chassé. Yes. Shoulder. Combo. Shoulder, shoulder. One more time. Very good. I think you got it now. More. Second part. This is the partner work part. Open. Shoulder. Very good. Face your partner. Hi, Erika. Now the same, but face your partner. Are you ready? Walk. 4, 3, 2, chassé. But watch now. The combination is to the front. Front. Yes. Remember that. Chassé. Shoulders. Face the front. Now, we have to grab the hands of your partner. Watch. Yes. Again. Easy. Are you ready? Friend's hand. Yes. And now turn. And chassé. Good. Very good. Again. Walk forward. And chassé. Yes. Shoulders. Are you ready from the top? Watch. Because now we have to add something else. Very easy. Hips. Face your partner. Yes. Watch now. We have to add a head. Yes. One more time. Woo. Turn around. Chassé. Grab your hands friend and watch. Last time. You got it. Partner pass. Very good.